freak.
What?
You're such a freak.
Why?
No.
I'm sorry, oh my god.
What?
Is there a clown somewhere?
God, no.
Where? I gotta get a bagel. Or potato!
Why?
Got the potato. The clown one. Dad. Clowns are breathing the earth, okay? If you ever see a clown, get a potato or a bagel. Throw it out there and say, Goody Moogie! See. Or moving for an hour. Clown makeup. Remover. Flush with the face. They're going for an hour. But the color on the stairs. They'll kill you! If you're not a believer, they'll kill you first. You're dead to me, you bitch. Yeah. This is your regular clown police reporting on Saturday, Tuesday, 21st on Bagel Day. Today is Bagel Day. See, why are you staring at me? Stop it. Fuck it!